Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to check your tax refund transcript. A tax refund transcript provides detailed information about your tax account, including your refund status. It's often needed for loan applications or to understand processing delays. We'll cover how to access this important document directly from the IRS, ensuring you have the information you need quickly and securely. Understanding your transcript can clarify many questions about your tax filing. The quickest way to get your transcript is through the IRS Get Transcript online service. You'll need to create an account and pass a robust identity verification process, which includes providing personal information and financial account details. This secure system ensures only you can access your sensitive tax data. Once verified, you can view, print, or download various transcript types instantly, including your account transcript. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Speaking of reading, if you're waiting on your tax refund, why not catch up on some reading? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere with its glare-free display. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If online access isn't for you, requesting by mail or phone are good alternatives. You can submit Form 4506D, Transcript Request, to have a transcript mailed to your address. Alternatively, call the IRS directly, and a representative can assist you. Remember, mailed transcripts typically take 5 to 10 business days to arrive, so plan accordingly if you have a deadline. Once you have your transcript, understanding its contents is key. Look for the refund issue date and the corresponding amount to confirm your refund status. Transaction codes are crucial. For example, code 846 signifies that your refund has been sent. Pay close attention to any other codes or notes that might indicate adjustments, offsets, or holds on your refund, providing clarity on your tax account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.